Hello, Language Arts Block 2. I'm going to go over how to navigate the Canvas. This is the spelling section, and you will always find the spelling section on our home page. You can always email me here if you have a question. I'm here throughout the day. All your assignments are here, which I'm going to go over in a moment. But right now we're going to focus on this box. Your spelling is due every week, and I'm going to show you what you need to do for your spelling. And the video will be right here on how to teach it, which hopefully you have clicked and you're watching right now. So the first thing, down here underneath it, I will always put what is due by Friday. So on Friday, your spelling list practice is due, which means you've picked your 10 words from the list, you've written them 3 times, and then you're going to enter 10 spelling sentences for me to grade. Now, where do I find this stuff and where do I enter it? You're going to click right here at the top, and watch when I click. When I click on it, all the assignments pop up here. So spelling's at the top. You do not have to work on any of these. These are all part of grammar. The only thing I want you to focus on now is the spelling. It will always be underneath here. You can click the spelling, and their spelling words will come up right here. You're going to choose 10 words from the spelling list, and if you click right there, this week's spelling list will pop up. Now, I know we're not going to pre-test like we normally do. You're just going to do the honor system, and you're going to pick out 10 words you don't know how to spell out of this list, or you think you'd have trouble with. If you know how to spell every single one of these words, I want you to pick 10 words you don't know how to spell. But all the grammar lessons and all the phonics lessons will pertain to this list. Okay, after you pick your 10 words, you're going to write them out in cursive writing on your own. It's on the honor system. You're going to write it 3 times. You're not going to hand that in. It's on the honor system and in cursive. So the more you practice, more than likely the more you'll remember the word. What I am grading is your sentences. You're going to submit a sentence for each word. Type your sentences in a box. After you hit submit above, send them to me, and your grade will pop up in PowerSchool. So this is where you submit. Up here there's a blue box over here on the right. You hit submit, and then this text box will come up, and you come over here and scroll down, and this is where I want you to type your sentences. So your first sentence, you'll type number 1. Type in your sentence here, period. Make sure you capitalize. I didn't capitalize, so I'm going to go back and fix it. And hit return. Whoops. Make sure I'm at the end. Hit return, type in number 2, and you're going to have 10 of those. And when you're all done, you go right down here and you hit submit assignment, and it goes off to me. I'll grade it, and it goes directly to your PowerSchool. And that's spelling. You have to have this done every week, due Friday. When you're done with this, you can go on to grammar, and I'll see you in that video. Talk to you soon.